Never ever tamper with the smoke detectors or carbon monoxide detectors in your house. Now remember, these are life safety devices just like the fire alarm. These things were made to save people's lives because they alert people that there is a fire or carbon monoxide in their houses, and they must get out of the house now. So these are not to be messed around with. Never take the batteries out of the detector. Never paint the detector. Never keep pressing the test button. Never take the detector off the wall or the ceiling. Leave it alone. In most jurisdictions, they ban the 9-volt battery smoke detectors because people like to take the batteries out of them. Not good. So that's why they ban the 9-volt battery smoke detectors in most jurisdictions in this country. If you take down a hardwired smoke detector, you can get electrocuted, but if you want to take down a 10-year sealed battery smoke detector and take it out and put it in your toys or anything else, good luck with that. You can't. Never ever mess with these things. Always keep them high up so little kids don't play with them. With the carbon monoxide detectors, especially never tamper with them in houses with gas appliances or attached garages or generators for when the power is out. Never take the batteries out of the CO detector. That is a no-no. Bye.